Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to change the background, specifically the wallpaper of your Telegram chats. So let's get right into it. Right now we're on chats, but we want to go to settings. And after we're on settings, we're going to click on appearance. And now we're going to click on chat wallpaper. So you can see right here, we have many wallpapers to choose from. And we can also choose from photos, right? So all you have to do is click on choose from photos and you'll be able to go into your photo gallery and click on it and add it, right? But right now we're just going to use one of these. I really like this one. And we have a couple of options. We can either blur it or we can add motion to it, right? With motion, if I move my phone around, you can't see it, but it kind of has a little bit of motion to it, right? So we're going to click apply for all chats. And now we can go back to my chats and see it being applied. Chats right here. Let's go to my friend Nick, and we have successfully changed the background of the Telegram chats. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.